This is going to be a quick video on how to reset a Netflix series TV show so that you can watch a Netflix series over again. You will want to do what I'm about to show you if you are trying to rewatch a series by starting on the first episode, and as soon as it ends, the autoplay feature in Netflix is not able to find the next episode in the series and is automatically taking you to the next show recommendations. First, you want to make sure that you are logged in on a PC or have the desktop version of Netflix open. This is because you can't get to the Netflix account settings from a tablet or a smartphone. Once you are logged into Netflix on a desktop, just go to the top right where your icon is and hover over it. That will expand the drop-down, look for Netflix account and left-click account. Now scroll down to where you see the profiles, the section named Profile and Parental Controls, and select the down arrow on the profile where you want to reset the Netflix series. I'm going to click it now. Then you want to scroll down a little bit until you see Viewing Activities and left-click on the View text link. On the Netflix activity page, here's where you can look for the series that you want to reset. On the right of each TV series or show, there is a button to hide from viewing history. You want to left click on that and you will get the confirmation message. Within 24 hours, the Netflix series will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched and will no longer be used to make recommendations to you unless you watch it again. So by doing this, you not only reset your Netflix series, but Netflix will also stop making recommendations based on that series that you watched. You can either select to reset or hide these one by clicking on each one, or you can scroll all the way down and there will be a hide all text link. I'm going to left click on it to reset all my Netflix series all at once. Okay, now we have a confirmation. Are you sure you want to hide your entire viewing history on this profile? This cannot be undone. Within 24 hours, these titles will no longer be used to make recommendations to you and will not be shown as watched on Netflix unless you play the title again. So I'm going to click yes, hide all my viewing activity. Okay, now when we go back into Netflix and we go into that account, we can see that there are no TV series shows to continue and everything has been reset.